Hello everyone, welcome to LeadWeb. In this small tutorial today, we are going to see how you can use auto reply. In the left side main menu, you just have to click on auto reply. There are people who understand auto reply and chatbot same module, but there is a significant differences in both the modules. Auto reply is just like a welcome message. When you set up the auto reply, if your customer is messaging on your connected device, any content will trigger this auto reply. However, in the chatbot, it's a keyword specific chatbot flow. So when customer specifically type that content what you specify in the chatbot flow, it will trigger the message. So in this video, we are going to see how to use auto reply. You just have to click on auto reply, just click on create rules. Give any name, select the instance which is connected to legal application. Priority does not make any difference, so you can specify without writing anything. Cooldown period, I'll simply explain you what is cooldown period. Now you have a provision to type the messages here manually, or you can select the template what we already created. For a testing purpose, I'll simply write the message. Welcome to LeadWeb. How may I help you? The rule is active. I'll simply click on create rule. Once it is set, whenever a customer is messaging you on this number, this reply will trigger the respect to Amy message. Let's test this. I simply say hi, and immediately I will receive the message from connected number. Welcome to LeadWave. How may I help you? Okay. Now I just mentioned something about the cooldown period. Now in this case, what will happen? If I say hi again, it will again trigger the message. Okay. So you keep on triggering the message whenever customer is messaging you. So to avoid this, there is a setting called cooldown period. Okay. So this is specified in the minutes. So if you specify 60 minutes, for the next 1 hour, it won't reply or it won't trigger the auto reply what you have specified. Okay. Let's test this again. First time it has given me a message immediately. Now if I reply again, it is not triggering the message. So this is how it works. I hope you understand how the auto reply works, and I will see you in the next one.